Clock Repair in a Bottle Part 2 using Quicken Horological Nano-Lubrication products. This one is oval, but it doesn't pose a problem with the operation of the clock. It's the only one that's slightly loose. Now to spin out the clock mechanism by removing the urge and the Nano-Treatment to end the gear teeth and contact points and bushings. The time spring. Nano-Lubrication moves section from both springs and allows it to be evenly straight and even amount of power with more space. Once the mechanism has been spun out several times, allowing impregnation of the nanomaterial into all treated surfaces, especially the gear teeth and train, the clock mechanism can be ultrasonically cleaned and then relubricated in the bushings with Quicken, allowing for extended trouble-free operation of the clock. Quicken can be applied to any contact surface, such as where the spring rubs against the contact point on the adjacent gear or a gear tooth mechanism. As overexpansion is occurring, lubrication was applied to this surface of the mainspring so it did not wear the contact point. What is occurring during application of the nanomaterial is the surfaces are becoming diamond coated, which is what is responsible for stopping wear and removing friction. In reality, you're getting a liquid diamond coating across every treated surface. With this particular treatment, treated gear teeth do not have to have the oil, the carrier oil, removed, which would only enhance protection as the oil is left there to have the nanomaterial removed from it over time. However, many clock makers do not like to leave any oil on the train or gear teeth, so it's really optional to remove it. It's better to leave it in place.